Hi there. Everyone loves Halloween, and of course, we're all looking for some fun ways to celebrate at home this year. Check out these adorable pretzel rods that I made for Halloween. You've got everything from bats to Frankenstein to mummies to ghosts, and if you want, you can even just make some with sprinkles on top. You want to start with some candy melts in the color that you like, of course some pretzel sticks, some candy eyeballs, and some sprinkles. Heat them up per the directions in the microwave, and then drizzle them over the top of your pretzel sticks. You can scrape off the bottom and lay it out on your parchment paper to dry. Once it dries just a little bit, then you add candy eyeballs on that one in a baggie with a little cut on the top, the mummy decoration. And over here, I just added some sprinkles on this one. Now I go back to the mummies and I add the eyes. And it dries just a little bit so they don't slip off. And finish off your ghost with a little candy for the mouth. Also want to show you how to make the bat and the Frankenstein. I'm going to start with a little bit of the green candy melts for Frankenstein. Pour those over the pretzel sticks. And sprinkle the top with some jimmies and lay them back out again. You're going to add some of your candy eyeballs to finish it off. And you take a little bit of your candy coat in a baggie or in a frosting bag and make your mouth. Next, I'm going to make some dark chocolate candy melt and pour it over a pretzel stick. Once you lay it out, I put some candy eyeballs on this one, some little bones on this one, and then just some sprinkles on the last one. For this one, I used orange and black. And now for the bats. I used some of the candy eyeballs in the yellow color. And then I took, of course, my candy melt in a frosting baggie and actually designed some wings. And it's really cool. Once it dries, it peels right off and sticks to the stick. Now you're going to put a little bit of your sprinkles on top. And there you have your adorable Halloween pretzel rods. Of course, we'd love you to subscribe and just click on those post notifications so you get a notification next time we post a video, and make sure you share this with your friends. See you next time.